This 2021 Jayco Eagle 317 RLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, microwave, slide-out, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Eagle 317 RLOK is 11,025 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.